Hey there everyone, how are you doing? Today I've got a quick video for you on how to toggle on Instagram's automatic captions feature on or off using your iPhone. Let's dive right in. To start, fire up Instagram on your iPhone. Then hit your profile icon down there in the bottom bar. Next, tap on the hamburger menu up in the top right corner. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. Scroll down a bit until you spot Accessibility Settings. After that, tap on Captions. Now simply flip the toggle to turn on this feature and automatic captions will be activated. You can also pick the language for the captions right there. Oh, and if you ever want to switch it off, just toggle options off from this same menu. That's all there is to it. That's how you can toggle automatic captions in Instagram on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Want more Instagram tips and tricks? Make sure to subscribe to the channel for regular updates. Thanks for tuning in and catch you in the next video. Bye for now.